Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to unfriend people fast in Roblox, doing it one by one can take forever. So in this video, I will show you a faster method using a Chrome extension. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Search for Roblox friend removal button. Make sure you check reviews and rating before installing. Click Add to Chrome. Then click Add extension. Once installed, open Roblox and log into your account. Click on the three lines at the top left. Then open your connections list. Now you will see a remove button next to each friend. Instead of opening every profile manually, you can just click the remove button directly from the list. Click it once and the friend will be removed instantly. This makes mass unfriending much faster compared to the normal method. Important tip: only install extensions with good reviews and never share your password with any website. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Roblox tips and fixes.